Which of the following is a programming language?
Java.
How many bits are there in 1 byte?
Eight.
Hair and nails are made up of which one of the following proteins?
Keratin.
Which blood group is known as the universal recipient?
AB positive.
Which is the third most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
Argon.
Which of the following substances can dissolve in water?
Salt.
Which organ filters waste from the blood?
Kidney.
Which energy is produced from the Earth's internal heat?
Geothermal energy.
What is the unit of frequency?
Hertz.
What is the main gas in fizzy drinks?
Carbon dioxide.
Which insect bite causes malaria and dengue?
Mosquito.
The word environment is derived from the French word environner, which means
to encircle.
Which is the purpose of a CPU?
To process data.
Virus is a computer dash.
Program.
The scientific study of teeth is called
Odontology.
Which gas is known as laughing gas?
Nitrous oxide.
What happens to a metal when it is heated?
Expands.
Which of the following creatures is not a vertebrate?
Insect.
What does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Which of the following is an example of a fossil fuel?
Coal.
Which branch of science studies celestial objects?
Astronomy.
What kind of animal is a Komodo dragon?
Reptile.
Which is the biggest fish in the world?
Whale shark.
When is World Environment Day celebrated?
June 5th.
Which is the main function of a keyboard?
Input data.
Which is the full form of email?
Electronic mail.
Who is popularly known as the father of artificial intelligence?
John McCarthy.
Which is the SI unit of mass?
Kilogram.
Who invented the rubber balloon?
Michael Faraday.
Which simple machine uses a rigid bar and a fulcrum?
Lever.
Which vitamin is produced by the body when exposed to sunlight?
Vitamin D.
What is the unit of force?
Newton.
Which gas is released by plants during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
What causes tides on Earth?
Moon's gravity.
Which animal's heart is located in its head?
Shrimp.